Hello all, I am Amol Chaudhary from the Department of ENTC Engineering of AI SSMS IIT Pune. In this video, I will be discussing Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese word. Meaning of the Kaizen is change for the best or change for the improvement. Kaizen is an approach for creation of continuous improvement based on the idea, which is small, ongoing positive changes, can reap the major improvements. So, Kaizen is continuous improvement of processes in manufacturing, engineering, and business management. When the word Kaizen is used in a business sense and applied to the workspace, it refers to the activities that continuously improve all functions, and it will involve all employees from CEO to the assembly line workers. So Kaizen involves all the activities that continually improve all functions and involve all employees. Kaizen can be applied to processes like purchasing, logistics, waste management, etc. The important use of the Kaizen is for quality control, standardization of work, elimination of the waste. The methodology of Kaizen is useful for managers or employees when they are looking for the improvement or changing the process for the betterment. The 5S offers a series of steps. The manager can use series of 5S, employees can use the series of 5S for improvement in the particular process. The first S in the 5S step stands for sorting. Sorting is a step which involves selecting the necessary things to perform a job and removing all unnecessary things from the work area. Set in order is the next S, which emphasize on the customization of a workstation and the surrounding area to meet work area requirement, and customization of the workstation by arranging the remaining items such that it is easy to select them, use them, and return them to their proper location. The next S stands for shine, which is for cleaning the workstation by removing garbage, dust, and dirt to identify the problems. Meaning over here is that shine suggests finding the reason why things become dirty. Standardize is the next yes, which stands for setting up standards for clean and neat workspace. And the last yes for sustain, which suggests maintaining the established standards over long term. Regular audits and reviews. So these are the 5S strategies of Kaizen. The advantages of Kaizen are mentioned on this particular slide. The advantages includes Kaizen encourages scrutiny of processes so that mistakes and waste can be reduced. Kaizen improves the teamwork. Kaizen focus on reduction of the waste, and with the use of the Kaizen there will be less errors and which will leads to the less inspection needed. However, there are certain disadvantages of Kaizen like training requirement and implementation of Kaizen in existing systems can be difficult. The employees must be trained. So training is required so that the employees will adapt to the Kaizen, or employees will employ the procedure or methodology of Kaizen, and implementation of Kaizen can be difficult in the existing system. I hope all of you have understood the Kaizen. Thank you.